Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. I am Xavier Basumatari. Today we are bringing you our latest political report on the Bodoland Territorial Council area. In recent months, two major regional political parties have been organizing events to show their political power and mass strength. Both parties have carried out mass joining programs to show their public acceptance. Despite being in opposition, the Bodoland People's Front is displaying extraordinary events of huge mass gathering. In recent times, leaders and active and strong workers of United People's Party Liberal and Bharatiya Janata Party have joined BPF, surprising all. It is very uncommon to see key figures of the ruling party giving up the ruling party and joining the opposition party. Hagrama Mohilary, the Chief of BPF, is seen in recent times in his new avatar interacting with the public directly and attending meeting after meeting and religious programs of all religions, especially of minorities. This new avatar of Hagrama Mohilary has been appreciated by his supporters. Hagrama Mohilary's rising popularity has become a major concern for BJP, who expected to replace him with Pramod Bodo, the current chief of BTC. Despite support from BJP, Pramod Bodo's government is rapidly losing public support, and this has worried BJP, who cannot lose Kokrajhar constituency at any cost. So rumors are in the air that BJP is trying to take back BPF in NDA. However, BPF has not agreed to the terms and conditions of BJP. BPF's supporters do not want the alliance to happen and want to go solo. Unhappy with the recent Bodo Peace Accord of 2020, many Bodo people and intellectual groups now despise BJP. Many non-Bodo people are also seen switching sides and coming forward in support of BPF. The battle of upcoming general election in 2024 will be worth observing, and the competition between a small regional party versus a new regional party in power with support from the strongest power in the nation, BJP, will surely draw the attention of all people. That's all for today's news. Keep watching Eastern Paradigm.